Great reviews shouldn't feel awkward, so why aren't more realtors asking for them? Here's how to get glowing testimonials without it feeling weird. The secret: timing and simplicity. Right after a win, whether you just closed or they text you, "Thank you so much," that is your moment. Shoot them a message. Say, "Hey, if you're open to it, I'd love to get a quick review of what it was like working together. Here's the link." Then hand them a few prompts. What made the experience smooth? What would you tell a friend about working with me? Want to level up? Ask if they're open to recording a 30-second video. Most happy clients will say yes. They just need you to ask. If you don't have time to keep track of this, that's where we come in. At Ollin Reach, we help high-performing realtors like you set up automated strategic review systems so the feedback flows right into your workflow without you having to lift a finger. We handle the follow-ups, the tech, and even repurpose reviews for your market. Are you ready to take some of this off your plate? Contact us at ollinreach.com or call us. Our phone number's in our description, and we'll talk to you right away.